How to register for Bolt app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for Bolt app. The Bolt app is a versatile mobility platform that offers a range of services including ride-hailing, food delivery, grocery, shopping, car sharing and micromobility rentals. It also includes an emergency assist button and audio trip recording for enhanced safety. Now, to create an account on Bolt or register for Bolt app, you will need to make sure you have already downloaded the authentic Bolt application on your mobile device. Now, once you have downloaded it, simply open the application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, you will be prompted to access the device location. Simply tap on while using the app option, and after that, you will need to grant permission to send you the notifications. Simply tap on the Allow option at the bottom, and then you will be presented with this page. Now here you will need to select a correct country code and enter your phone number. Or if you have already created an account, you will be able to sign in with Google also. Here I'm going to enter my phone number. Simply select the country code and then enter your phone number. After entering the phone number, tap on the Continue button right here. Now a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to wait for the code, and once you get that code, you will need to enter it in this field. And once after entering the code, you will be able to create an account on it. After that, you will be presented with this page. Here, you will be prompted to link your account to save the time. You may continue with your Google account, or you may also continue with your email. Here I'm going to use my email address. Simply tap on Continue with Email button, and then here enter your email address. Once after entering the email address, tap on this Continue button. Now you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to enter your first and your last name. Once after entering the first and last name in this text box, now you will need to tap on this Continue button at the bottom. Now you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to pick a preferred payment method in order to set up your payment. You may also tap on this cash option and proceed further. Now in this pop-up, here if you would like to set your location, you may tap on Set Automatically, or you may also tap on Set Later and set your location later. Here I am going to choose the option Set Later. After that, you will see you have successfully created an account on it. You may also go and check your email address to verify your email. Open the inbox of your email, and here you will need to scroll a bit down in order to verify your email address. Simply tap on Verify Email Address. After that, you will be taken to a browser. Here you will see your email address has been verified. Now tap on Open Bolt, and you will be returned back to your Bolt application. So this is how you can create an account on Bolt. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.